What's up everybody, this is Cole Jones and this is my 2018 bike check. We're going to start off with the frame, and I got a 2017 Fit Vegan frame in raw, and the top tube is 20.5. And then we're going to move to the front wheel. I got a Primo M4FL V2 and jet fuel. And then we're going to go up to the bars. I got the Scumbag vegan bars and 9.420. 420, you know. And then I got Colt AK grips and gum. And then for the stem, I have a Fit stem in gold. And then down to the forks, I have black Fit forks. And then for the pegs, I really like these pegs because they're really long schlong. Fit vegan pegs again. I like brand vegan, if you can tell. I have a Fit free coaster. I'm getting a new one soon. This one's a turd, let me tell you. And then down to the cranks, I got Fit cranks in 170. I like them. There's not too much wrong with them. And then for the good old pedal piece, I got Merit purple pedals. I forget what they're called, but I like them. I don't like Odyssey Twisted PCs. Those are what I used to run, but they're not very good, in my opinion. And then the chain, I have a KMC chain right now. I need a new one. And then I have a 28 tooth E-Clot sprocket. And then seat, there's a Fit seat. And then I think that's about it. I just wanted to make a correction. That's actually a 25 tooth. I don't know why I said 28. I have no clue.
Dude, that's up.